Welcome to Coin Daily, the channel which brings you everyday the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we have a special guest named Torekko. Torekko first, Japanimation Metaverse, and how you can participate in an airdrop I will show you in a couple of minutes. Just stay tuned and let's have a look what exactly they offer us with their nice project. You can see here, these are the different NFTs avatars in their metaverse. Now just the renderings of it, but soon they will be available. And you guys, you can have one NFT, especially a licensed one, just as an airdrop if you just hold some of their tokens. At least you have to hold more than 5,000 TRK tokens, and then you get an NFT for free. So, but by the way, for that you have to sign in, you have to be a holder or a hodler of the Torekko token, and for sure contact them on Telegram and Twitter. Join them on Twitter and on Telegram. It will help a lot to grow the community. But let's have a look exactly what they write here. There are 4 rarities of the bases: Ruby, Gold, Moonstone and Onyx. Come on, 90% chance of getting an NFT with this base in a 3 NFT booster. Rare 9% chance to get an NFT with this base in a 3 NFT booster, and so on. They have different categories and you can always choose which one you want to buy. The backgrounds of our NFTs are unique to each collection and can be common to several characters. And the characters, by the way, really nicely created. The overwhelming majority of Torekko NFTs representing living characters or entities. All our characters are animated, one by one manually, by our artists and graphic designers. The collection, each NFT Torekko is issued from one license and 1 season. Torekko also has its own officially licensed Torekko Originals. A season is literally a season and a year. The first season of NFT Torekko will be fall 2021 with Torekko Originals as the first license. And guys, you read 21, we have now 22, so they already have some new NFTs. And by the way, if one season is finished, you cannot get these tokens anymore else than just on a marketplace, right? And here's the deal. Here's what many people don't get it. An NFT is something, a non-fungible token, by the way, it is an asset, a rare asset, because this NFT, what you buy now, this will not come tomorrow again. And if somebody wants this NFT and he missed this opportunity, so what will happen on the market? The price of this NFT can 10x, 1000x, or whatever X's, right? Because we saw many things, NFT market going crazy, people sell for millions NFTs and just getting rich by holding some rare NFTs. What they say in bonus details, some NFT Torekko have bonus features. In general, it is visual details that differentiate them from NFT Torekko. These visual details include airdrop, parachute, logo or distinctive sign from a Torekko partner, anomaly in the animation or in visual details. So very nicely made. They sell for sure also boosters, booster packs. You can buy the new Torekko boosters in the boosters section of the site. These boosters can only be bought with the TRK token. You can also buy them in the marketplace section. The drop. Holding TRK in your portfolio, and this is what I told you, to participate in a drop Torekko. You must have a certain amount of TRK in your wallet. By the way, 5,000 right now. The amount of TRK needed to participate in the drop is indicated in the drop section of the site. Enter your email and public ETH address. Once you have the TRK in your wallet, all you have to do is enter your email address and your public ETH address to participate in the Torekko drop. If you win, you will receive an email with the procedure of following to get your exclusive Torekko collectible. So guys, and this is it. This is the project. It is a metaverse with your NFTs. You can share them, you can trade them, you can walk around, right? And you can see these guys, they have a roadmap. They know exactly what they're doing because they are not doing it the first time. And these guys have big partners, investors and partners, Moonwhale, Odiana, Lavender Capital, and so on, Magnus Capital. There are funds already invested in other crypto projects, Lotus Ventures, Haven, AVG, and so on. Just Google them, right? And if you want to contact Torekko, just do it, by the way, here on email at torekko.com, or just follow them. The mostly I follow some projects is, by the way, Twitter and Telegram. And for sure they're on Instagram, they're on LinkedIn, the business platform. They are Medium, and for sure they have their own Discord server. So, guys, let me know what you think about this project. Let me know what you think about Torekko. And I would say, just join them on Telegram. Just look with your own eyes the community. Just ask them things you want to ask before you invest. And if you invest, you know what I always say, don't invest all your money, just spread it, right? But you can see the community here is very strong. Right now at 1,200 online and 22,000 members they have already in the group, and 54,000 Torekko members on Twitter. So be the next one, be the one who collect them all, be the one who participate in an NFT game, in NFT business. Yes, it is a business, by the way, because if you collect some NFTs, they could make you in future rich. How many people collect NFTs and have already millions in their pocket, and they don't want to sell them because they think the price is getting higher? Why not? We saw many examples. We saw many examples on the market, right? Everyone knows the examples who are inside NFTs. And this is a big chance, another big chance, to make a real deal. So be one of the first guys, or you will be the last. Tell me what you think about Torekko.com. Leave me a like, maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. And don't forget to join them. Don't forget to buy some Torekko tokens to participate in the airdrop. And until next videos, I wish you the very best profits and see you later, alligator. Bye.